and welcome back to my video. Today we're gonna do some slime. As you can see, it's really sticky. If you guys are wondering why from Alex I named it Funny Alex, because it's hard to find my name on YouTube. So I was like, yeah, let's try something different. And I kept the name Funny Alex because Funny is my favorite YouTuber, and I love the name Alex for some reason. That's why. It has a very weak bubble. La, 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 la. I really want to do some bubbles, but I'm holding. So guys, can you please wait for some seconds? Just some seconds. Until then, you can see my slime. This is a very small slime, and this is the big one. Bubble. I just love slime. I just love it. What do you think? What color is it? Golden? Maybe. Most of my slime melts down, so I couldn't do slime mixer. Sorry. I'm so happy because I have so many subscribers. Yeah, like 8, 10, 1, 8. Still, I'm happy. Okay guys, so I thought of ending it here because it's getting weird. Okay guys, until then.